Hello and welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. This is going to be another £10 workshop challenge build, and what I'm thinking of doing, I found this in a cupboard by the way, never used it, so I thought I'd get it out. Okay, so what I'm thinking is kind of like a portal. So I don't want to do a regular door, so I want it to be, I can't draw by the way, so excuse that. So say a badly drawn circle, but it be, have stones all around, possibly using that EVA foam stuff, or if that doesn't work I'll just use card, all different sizes, but make it a bit wider here, and have, using, I think I picked up earbuds, and make kind of standing torches attached to the walls. And in the centre, like if you saw it was kind of like a warp gate build, just use the hot glue gun and just go around in circles. Looks like I've watched that video from The Ring. Yeah, and just to make sure it stands up, just put in a little stand. So yeah, that's essentially what I'm going to be working on today. Main structure, possibly use up the last of my foam core board, and for the size of it I'm thinking maybe going through the inside of a tape, but technically this isn't part of the £10 workshop challenge, so let's see, what do I have? What's my... almost perfect. Yeah, I'll just go around this PVA glue. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be building today. Okay, if you would like to support the channel, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can do that via Patreon, or now you can choose to buy me a coffee instead. Links will be in the comments and in the description below. If you like what you see, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll never miss a thing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.